faida anashuka. Acha faida. Anashuka kidogo tu. Bodi wetu faida.
Can allow us to drive through? I can't because it will interrupt what is going on. Yes, of course. It will interrupt the mission. We assume it will interrupt, allow us to continue. You convene your meeting elsewhere, meet people elsewhere. But
just using 1 minute.
But at the moment it interrupts. It interrupts Mheshimiwa Raila. It interrupts because we know what when you start talking things will start unfolding. We after clearing the work we are doing, we can allow you to come. Attempt to come. We are not destroying. We are not destroying. We are doing the exact thing what was required to be done. Bringing the land back to the original place.
But it is not the work of the police. It's a private property. The people demolition are doing the private property. It's not the government's work.
I think there is a middle ground here.
We drive through these AZIMIO leaders.
I cannot.
Hata chakula mnakataza.
I cannot. Mheshimiwa knew what happened when he came last Sunday.
What happened?
He knows himself. He can tell you.
What happened? I came in and you know what? You refused me to talk to people.
You told yourself people chased you away.
How?
They told you leave us alone. We are peaceful. We don't require you at this hour. That's exactly what happened. Now if you come in big delegation like this, we can't. Everything will go wrong there. And people are very, very peaceful.
Even us,
they want just assistance to be guided to remove their things.
Because we are also peaceful people. What we are saying is this, there's a middle ground. Just 1 minute.
The way you have formed yourselves up,
1 minute.
There is an indicator something will not.
1 minute only. I want to explain.
Just listen to Prime Minister.
Our station. We are opposition leaders. We are the government. The government on one side, we are on this other side. You need to respect the opposition. We are not destructive people.
It is respected, Mheshimiwa. It's only that it's not timely.
Are our supporters.
It's not timely.
We want to just
What is the best time to come?
What's the best time to come?
What is the best time to come, Joseph?
Until I complete the operation.
When are you concluding
the timeline? My timeline is yet to go.
When do you anticipate to conclude there? Because we will come back.
Now, Afande, let me ask you. I'm the area member of parliament. This is a governor Machakos.
No problem. You came yourself as an area of parliament. But you see the kind of the reaction that was there against you.
Just let him answer one question. Yeah. When do we anticipate that this process will go?
Probably leave it until next week.
Next week?
Yes.
No, but we are allowed as civilians to go and see. We are not interfering with
the time to see is not yet. The operation is still going on. A lot of activities are going on there.
But you are entitled
it's a direct interference because who are you going to see? You are seeing the person who is removing his own belongings, telling him to stop. Come and hear what he wants to say.
No, that's not what we are hearing.
That's exactly
we want to talk to the country about what is going on here. And we are not allowed to stop us. Because it is not a government operation.
This is not a context between the government. It's not a context between the government and the opposition. This is just a simple thing. If I refused him as the area MP and you as the council and now as you as the governor, you just see me same status.
Joseph, it's fine.
I
think what we can do.
Thank you.
Joseph, just 1 minute. Don't go away. Don't run away from us. We are just talking.
Listen, this one, Joseph, let me tell you. This might define your own future and the future of your
No problem to that. That comes
just
in,
because the president alikuja akapeana amri, that's what you're following blindly.
Nani amefanya amri?
Of course he gave orders here.
Who?
Ni president mwenyewe.
I was not in the meeting.
Yes. Okay. But you're following what was communicated.
Thank you.
What we do, leaders, because you know these guys, they just want to cause an unnecessary confrontation.
Yeah.
We will tell them that we respect whatever decision they have made, but we need to speak to the country from here. There's no need for them to get confrontational at all, because we are not confrontational.
Tell them.
Yeah. So you move to We're going back. I'm telling you, we're going back. There's no need for you to get confrontational. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, boss. Wapi watu wako watulie tu, si hatuna maneno.
Just chukua tu.
Tulieni boss. Tulia tu. Joseph, tulia tu.
Kisha hapa ndio hii. Hivi kajenga mpaka msipende. Tutawarusha. Ngoja.
Na unajua kazi itaisha.
Pata nyinyi.
Wakenya.
Mheshimiwa Makao, just go. Okay. I need this vehicle to